Hello friend, today we will discuss about three topics which are directly related to science and technology which are came in April 2020. So in this topic we will cover Gaganyaan, then merger of black hole with unequal masses, then third one is NASA running Curiosity from home. So let's start. But before you are new in our channel, so please like and subscribe and also share. So come to topic Gaganyaan. Why in news? The Directorate of Human Space Program of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO have invited proposal to develop indigenous technology for its future human space flight mission. What is Gaganyaan? Gaganyaan is basically Indian first spacecraft to take human to space. It built to carry 3 people for 7 days. The Gaganyaan is actually the name of spacecraft. ISRO has been trying for last 10 years to send human to space. The first two spacecraft would be sent without any human. This is done to test the project before humans are sent. India is using its most advanced rocket for this mission, like GSLV and Mark 3. The spacecraft will orbit the Earth for 7 days. It will then land on the Bay of Bengal by using a parachute. Russia is helping India in this mission. After that, it will give astronaut training to 4 Indian Air Force pilots. It will also provide advanced technology needed to support human life in space. The estimate cost, roughly estimate cost of this mission is 12,400 crore rupees. This mission is announced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15 August 2018. If successful, India would be only the fourth country in the world to launch a human space mission. Before India, these all countries like USA, Russia and China also launched their spacecraft. So what are the objectives of Gaganyaan mission? There is a basic 4 objectives. First is enhance science and technology. Then serve as national project involving several institutes, academia and industry, improve industrial growth, inspire youth, develop technology for social media benefit, then to improve international collaboration. Merger of black hole with unique masses. This is a second topic. So why is in news? First time science is started functioning. The gravitational wave observation at LIGO scientific collaboration have detected a merger of two unequal masses, black hole. What is a black hole? Simply, a black hole is a place in space where gravity pull so much that even light cannot get out. That means in black hole, light not get out. That's why we cannot observe that one in a space. Second one, the gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying because no light can get out. People can't see black hole. They are invisible. A space telescope with a spatial tool can help find black hole. The spatial tool can see how stars they are very close to black hole and different than other stars. How do the scientists know they are there? That means how do scientists know the black hole is a particular area? So basically they use these 5 things. First one is a black hole cannot be seen because strong gravity pull all of the light into a middle of the black hole. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affect the star and gas around a black hole. Scientists can study a star to find out if they are flying around or orbit a black hole. When a black hole and a star are close together, high energy link is made. This kind of light cannot be seen with human eye. Scientists use satellite and telescope in space to see the high energy light. I hope you understand about black hole. Basically, I already told you black hole is a gravitational force which is pull all the light into the middle of the black hole. Then third topic is NASA running Curiosity from home. Why in news? The NASA team running Curiosity rover is operating it from their home. What are its primary objects? The Mars Science Laboratory mission Curiosity rover landed on the red planet Gale created as on August 6. The rover landed with a primary mission to find out Mars. Another object is to learn more about the red planet environment. That means another object is to learn more about because to take their environment. What are its other goals? Curiosity has four main science goals in support of the agency Mars exploration program. That means there is a four basic program. First one is determine whether life ever occurs on Mars, characterize the climate of Mars, that characteristics the geology of Mars, then last but not least, it is important, then prepare for human exploration. I think you understand all about this topic. Thank you.